The video you're about to see is a lost footage from Destination Eddie, dated October 3rd, 2024, from the Haunted Harvest in Chino, California. The video has been edited for your enjoyment. What's up, everybody? Destination Eddie here. We are doing it infrared style. Yes, we are here at the Haunted Harvest in Chino, guys. Chino Hills. We're gonna go through the maze by ourselves in infrared. All darkness, guys. I hope you like this video. Let's do this.
Did your night vision help you?
Oh, careful, careful. There's the bag right there. Careful, that's dangerous.
Nice and sharp. Just how I like it. Better to run with.
All the people around.
Where are we?
Hi! Come on down to play!
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Oh my god. This is scary, guys. Seriously. In the dark. Only infrared. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Oh! Guys, this is freaky because I'm the only one in here right now. Ah! Jesus! Oh my goodness.
Look at my masterpiece. Do you think Mother would be proud? Put on my wall. It would look so good on my wall. Put your face on my wall.
Whole body's tingling right now. Guys, this is weird. All of a sudden I just got a feeling like really running through my body right now. I'm like, my whole body's numb. Oh. Wow. guys have to do this in a small group so you get the feel of it. Oh. Oh my goodness. Holy jeez. Guys, this is the Haunted Harvest. It's a lot bigger this year. 2 extra rooms for a total of 6. Scary. Oh my gosh. We made it out, guys. It was just me by myself walking through there, and let me just say, that freaked me out. I felt a presence inside there. My whole body got numb. I started getting the cold chills. Let me say, this is going to be an awesome video, guys, especially being in infrared. I can't wait for you guys to check this out. Amazing, guys. All right, guys, we are done doing the whole corn maze. 6 rooms at the Haunted Harvest in Chino Hills. Let me just say, that was scary as shh. You can finish the sentence on that. That spooked me out. This was amazing. It was awesome. Thank you, Haunted Harvest, for having us down to do another video. This one was amazing because it was total infrared, which is something completely different, guys. You guys can go back and check out one that I did last year for the Haunted Amusement Park in infrared. This is the second time that I've done this. So, if you guys like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, guys. Yes, I can't wait to post this. Hope you guys enjoy it. To the next destination or haunted place. Let's do it.